Today we're chasing the coldest sips in Hoi An.
3 stops: market herbs, mốt tea, and Cam Nam con chè.
If it doesn't sweat, it doesn't count. First, we find the herbs that make summer taste cool. Is the smell behind Hoi An's famous herbal cups.
Always greet, always smile. Hoi An mornings run on kindness.
Fresh and bright, like a breeze you can drink.
We'll come back for this. Listen to that crunch. Next stop, the cup everyone photographs. But does it taste right?
Mốt tea, Hoi An's herbal icon.
That first fog on the glass, summer surrender.
Herbal, lightly sweet, like drinking shade.
Dạ, anh chọn ít đường hay nhiều đá ạ?
Tôi lấy nhiều đá.
Okay, this one actually cools you down.
Think even more local only.
When the sun peaks, citrus is your shortcut.
One's herbal cool, one's sugar rush, wait for the third. Across that water, corn chè that locals swear by.
This Cam Nam con chè, the summer classic.
Ngô này trông tươi quá.
Dạ, bắp địa phương mình đó anh. Ngon lắm.
Ồ, nhìn ngon ghê.
With the river breeze, this tastes even colder.
3 stop, 3 kinds of cool, who wins? But Hoi An's best summer sip might be after sunset.
Coolers under lantern light.
Nighttime in Hoi An changes the whole flavor.
Now we hunt the cold drinks locals grab after work.
We shave the ice extra fine here. It's like powder. Ooh.
It looks incredibly refreshing. Bạn dùng sữa bắp phải không?
Đúng rồi, 1 ly.
Có liền.
Corn turns into comfort when it's cold. Lanterns on the outside, winter on the inside.
Sweet, sour, and cold. Ooh, perfect after the heat.
This one tastes like a reset button.
You hear ice everywhere? You're in the right place.
Cảm ơn.
Dạ.
Small cup, big cool down.
Same town, two moods. Both taste better cold.
We still need the ultimate summer finisher.
Chào bạn. Bạn dùng gì?
Dessert.
Look at those ice crystals. Instant relief.
Chị ơi,
Tôi ăn ở đây được không? Được, ăn liền.
ghế đằng kia.
Dạ.
Now we assemble the Hoi An summer tray.
4 kinds of cool, same town, different moods.
You only try one. Start with the herbs. Let's recap the 3 flavors that define Hoi An in summer.
See you in the next town. Until then, stay cool.
Morning heat starts early, so we drink early. Cold, clean, and instantly calming.
Next, we trace the herbs behind Hoi An's coolest cup. It is going to be a beautiful day. The herbs are looking very fresh this morning. This smell is basically Hoi An in summer.
Chào bác ạ. Vườn rau của mình tốt quá.
Cảm ơn cô. Rau này bác trồng đồng đặc biệt để cung cấp cho phố cổ Hội An mình đó.
Dạ.
Now we turn garden aroma into a cold moment.
Not fancy, just pure refresh.
At noon, Hoi An drinks get sharper.
This one wakes you up.
Afternoons are for cold desserts, small cups, big relief.
jelly this cold feels like edible shade.
Dạ, của quý khách ạ. Rồi, cảm ơn, cảm ơn.
In Hoi An, shade is part of the menu.
We end where Hoi An glows at sunset.
Next, one last surprise stop before we say goodbye. Last stop, locals only, almost whisper quiet.
Chào mừng, nước sâm của bạn đây.
Mấy vị thuốc bắc này giúp giải nhiệt.
Yeah.
Hoi An even has a midnight cool down.
Citrus and a midnight herbal secret.
If you try to make it mốt, and Cam Nam Conche.
Hoi An summer refreshment is gentle, never loud, always cool.
That's Hoi An, cool in every sense.
Every sip here feels like a slower heartbeat.
From sunrise beach to midnight herbs, Hoi An stays cool.